guys, so today is another quick tutorial regarding how to connect the DJI Mic2 transmitter or the mic to the new GoPro Hero 13. So, without further ado guys, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial, also comparison. So, let's start now guys. After you open your GoPro, go to the settings, swipe down, swipe to the left. You see here pair device. So click with the pair device. Open your DJI. Again, when you make it solid blue, meaning it's ready to pairing. So just press hold the record button until it will go solid green. And this one. So just wait until it will become solid green, solid blue, sorry. Yeah, now I'm solid blue. Now solid blue, then use the pairing until it become, yeah, see? With DJI Mimo. It's showing DJI Mimo, connect. Yeah. Connecting, yeah. Now you are connected. So you are connected with the DJI mic, see? Bluetooth with the DJI mic. So it's paired now with the Bluetooth. So let's try. I'll record. Yan, so it's recording. I'm using the microphone from DJI. Yeah, DJI, sorry, DJI. Microphone from DJI, yes, correct. And we're using the GoPro Hero 13. Okay, let's put in the tripod. So let's go with some distance. I think I'm 5 meters away from the GoPro. And this is the sound quality of the GoPro Hero 13 with the DJI Mic 2. So this is sample only. And guys, so and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, I'll show you how already to connect the DJI Mic 2 to the GoPro Hero 13 Black Edition. So, yan. I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the DJI mic with the transmitter, you can visit our website. Also, the GoPro Hero 13 Black Edition. So, yan guys. I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.